Welcome to AutoRepair Cloud. It is time to update our video lesson and show you how to set up AutoRepair Cloud as per your business requirements. We are going to discuss each function in detail. After registration, go to the Profile Configuration Settings page. First, confirm your email address. You can update your email address at any time by pressing Confirm Email Address button, updating any changes. You will receive a notification with a confirmation code. Enter this code into confirmation field in the window that opens up. You can also change language settings, your login and password on this page. You can modify notification settings previously set to Do Not Show Anymore by pressing Recover Info Messages button. These can be the notifications about changing repair status, for example. In My Schedule section, you can set up your personal schedule based on your shop's work hours or set personal work hours. Keep in mind, this will affect the Appointments section. Next, we will discuss only the most important and interesting settings. AutoRepair Cloud apps use geolocation so that the customers can find your business. Make sure that the address in the company profile matches the address of your repair shop. Another important setting, Office Phone, displays the phone number for customer service. The shop owner's phone number will be displayed for those repair shops who did not provide their work phone number. When adding a new customer, the information for entering the customer app, AutoRepairCloud.net, is sent to the customer if the invitation email for customer is enabled. The Working Hours tab is designed for setting up work time for your repair shop. This is a necessary setting because you will not be able to use appointments, workflow, and other features if you do not set up work times. You can set up schedule for work performed on the regular weekdays and add information about weekends and holidays. The default button serves for setting up regular schedule, Monday through Friday, from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. The Managing Users tab allows you to add new users or edit current ones. Press Add Technician and fill out the required fields in the form that opened up in order to add a new user. This user will receive a notification and a temporary password to his or her email address, which you specify in the form for adding users. Press Edit to change the settings of the existing user account. The Phone field allows you to edit the customer's phone number, including the phone number specified in your account. Log out the system and log in again to see the changes you've made. Please note that you need to enter the country code associated with the phone number. Here you can find the Account Control panel. Despite the fact that the accounts are assigned certain roles, such as, for example, manager or technical specialist, you can add or deny access or change rights for almost every element of the program. A list of app features is located in the left part of the interface. Each feature has certain access rights and the rights to update or remove the records. For example, if the user wants to get access to the repair list, he will need a check mark before allowing access for features and quotes and repairs. If the user wants to create a repair, he will need to be assigned new rights by putting a check mark next to Create before quotes and repairs. To receive account permission means that the user will have access only to the data he created himself. A group permission allows the user to work with all data. For example, a check mark before account permission for the meetings will indicate that the user can edit only the events created by him, and vice versa. A check mark before group permission for meetings will allow user to edit all business meetings with no exceptions. Notifications settings. The notifications settings show what kind of notifications every user will receive. Put a check mark or click on the little blue bell sign next to the notifications that every user will receive. You can turn on or off a notification sound by clicking this button. In customization, add a logo to your shop's main page. Add a logo for your invoice, customer app website, and a logo for smartphone apps. The Multilocations function allows you to exchange data between your shop. You will learn more about this function in this video. The status of all app functions is displayed under the Compatibility tab. You will be able to detect and solve the problems and get recommendations how to improve your online shop work. Let's go to the Business Flow tab. Set up the status for repair work process under the Timeline section. Press Edit and add minutes, percentile, and hours in the following columns: expected, warning, alert, and appoint the worker responsible for carrying out the current repair process. In case you missed the current repair process, a notification will remind you that time is running out and the process should be completed. The Invoice Printing tab allows you to select a template for your invoice, which you will send to your customers. This switch will allow you to add notes to your invoices. In Footer Prim, you can enter any information which will be displayed in every invoice, for example, in warranty terms. Now let's go to the Repair Orders tab. You can select Copy previous rejected items automatically into the new order by request or Do Not Copy. You can also do this for the open concerns. Move the switch to select Send Invoice to Customer with Attachments or with no attachments. In the Quote Lifetime, select the number of days, quote lifetime, you want the quote to be saved for. 1 to 365 days. The quote will be deleted automatically after the selected period. Next, select a preparation work, time for preparation work, and add text into repair order. The Labor Estimate tab requires a more detailed explanation, and we have a video lesson which you can watch by following this link. In Translations tab, set up the language for translation for the customer and for the invoice settings. The next section is Financial. The Subscription tab is intended to manage the subscription for AutoRepair Cloud services. The Change Plan button allows to set up the number of licenses necessary for work. To learn more about subscription, watch our video. To set up the Payments section, please watch our video by clicking this link. Set the desired markup for the parts which will make profit. Set special prices for the large-scale or state companies. Manually enter the type of currency which you intend to use. The tax rates allow us to set the standard tax rates. Use the switch to calculate the tax before and after discount. Next, we will discuss the Tag Assets section. To use technical documentation such as repair manuals, TSB, wiring diagram, and other, you need to link your library card number, enter the county name and state of library location. Here, you can see the type of technical documentation available to you depending on your subscription type. The OBDII section allows you to set up diagnostics process, connect to equipment, and select the recommended diagnostics adapter. To learn more about this feature, please watch our video at the following address. Add and list repaired bays. You will need them in the future, for example, in appointments, to assign a certain vehicle that arrived for the repair to your shop. Create your own templates in Templates. Create the templates for inspections, repairs, and notifications. This will help you with the vehicle repair and in customer communication. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.